Hello everyone and welcome back to Whole Lot of Nature. In today's video, we'll be sharing 10 tips on how to grow healthy plants. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, these tips will help you create a thriving and lush garden. Tip 1. Know your plant's requirements. Every plant has its own unique set of requirements for sunlight, water, and soil type. Understanding these requirements is key to growing healthy plants. So be sure to research the specific needs of each plant in your garden. Tip 2. Provide proper drainage. Plants need good drainage to prevent water from pooling around their roots, which can lead to root rot. Make sure your pots and soil have adequate drainage holes. Tip 3. Use quality soil. Using high-quality soil can make all the difference in the health and growth of your plants. So, invest in a good soil mix with the right nutrients and pH level for your plants. Tip 4. Water correctly. Overwatering or underwatering can harm your plants. Be sure to water them thoroughly and deeply, but not too often. Check the soil moisture regularly and adjust your watering schedule as needed. Tip 5. Use organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers, like compost and worm castings, are excellent sources of nutrients for your plants. They improve soil quality, enhance plant growth, and help prevent diseases. Tip 6. Prune when needed. Pruning encourages healthy growth and helps prevent disease by removing dead, damaged, or diseased branches. It also helps to shape your plants and promote better air circulation. Tip 7. Protect from pests and diseases. Pests and diseases can quickly damage your plants, so it's important to protect them. You can use natural methods like companion planting and beneficial insects or organic pesticides to keep pests and diseases at bay. Tip 8. Choose the right location. The location of your plants can make a big difference in their health and growth. Be sure to choose a spot with the right amount of sunlight, shade, and protection from wind and extreme weather. Tip 9. Mulch your plants. Mulching can help conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. It also adds organic matter to the soil, which is beneficial for plant growth. Tip 10. Be patient. Growing healthy plants takes time and patience. Be sure to give your plants the time they need to grow and thrive, and don't get discouraged if they don't look perfect right away. So there you have it, 10 tips to grow healthy plants. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to creating a beautiful and thriving garden. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.